watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Welcome back, farmhouse decor enthusiasts. Get ready to elevate your space with charming accents that capture the essence of spring. From rustic window panes to delicate floral arrangements, we've got the perfect touches to infuse your home with warmth and style. Trio white pots. Arrange trio white pots filled with vibrant blooms for a fresh and minimalist farmhouse look. Rustic window pane. Hang a rustic window pane adorned with seasonal wreaths to add character to your space. Green moss spiral wreath. Incorporate a green moss spiral wreath for a natural and textured focal point. Mini glass jar with tulip wreath. Create a sweet vignette with mini glass jars adorned with tulip wreaths for a touch of spring. Large mouth jar. Fill a large mouth jar with freshly picked wildflowers for a simple yet charming centerpiece. Pink flower wreath. Hang a pink flower wreath on your door to welcome guests with a burst of spring color. Blue glass vases. Display blue glass vases filled with delicate blooms to add a pop of color to your farmhouse decor. Floral wreath with greenery. Adorn your mantel with a floral wreath accented with lush greenery for a timeless look. Mason jar blush pink flower. Arrange blush pink flowers in mason jars for a rustic chic centerpiece. Bottle with cotton. Add farmhouse charm with bottles filled with cotton stems as elegant decor accents. Chalkboard and white pot. Pair a chalkboard with a white pot for a charming display that's both functional and stylish. Cute colors glass vases. Spruce up your space with cute colored glass vases filled with fresh blooms for a cheerful vibe. Tulip arrangements. Create stunning tulip arrangements in various colors to brighten up any room in your home. Rustic jug with hydrangea. Showcase rustic jugs filled with hydrangeas for a classic farmhouse touch. Easter theme mug. Sip your morning coffee in style with Easter-themed mugs featuring adorable designs. Rustic egg box with yellow tulips. Arrange yellow tulips in a rustic egg box for a charming Easter-inspired centerpiece. Blush pink and white flower. Combine blush pink and white flowers in a vase for an elegant and feminine touch. Greenery wreath. Hang a greenery wreath above your fireplace for a fresh and natural focal point. Shabby lantern. Place shabby lanterns filled with candles for a cozy and romantic farmhouse ambiance. Lovely wreath. Welcome spring with a lovely wreath adorned with seasonal blooms and greenery. Yellowish plants arrangement. Brighten up your farmhouse decor with an arrangement of yellowish plants, bringing warmth and vibrancy to your space. Simply farmhouse decor. Embrace the simplicity of farmhouse decor with minimalist accents like distressed wood elements and neutral color palettes for a timeless aesthetic. Bunny Easter decor. Infuse your home with Easter cheer by incorporating adorable bunny-themed decor items such as figurines, pillows, and wall art for a playful touch. There you have it, folks. With these charming accents, you can effortlessly elevate your farmhouse spring decor and create a warm and inviting atmosphere in your home. Don't forget to explore more inspiration from Homeek for additional farmhouse charm. Happy decorating!